like the dog. I got him with money. Know how nigga want to fucking beat. I'm gonna bring my bring it dog, bring my dog, bring my dog, like a dog, you fucking raw, like a dog, like a dog.
Everybody, man, 7-7, man, shout out 18, man. Y'all know that motherfucker now, Fat Mafia, man. Shout out my motherfucker, nigga, chop on the beat, man. They talk this shit with the motherfucker game, we on fire, y'all, nigga. I got the big boy draw, nigga. Us together, nigga, it's the motherfucking astronauts, nigga. All that flag shit, nigga, out of space, nigga. They not in space like the real nigga. You know what I'm saying? But treat it like a dog, beat it like a dog. You know what I'm saying? That's my dog house, the fucking dog style, you feel me? Got new hits, nigga, coming soon. You know what I'm saying? From the fire top of the street shit. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no names for the motherfucking shit yet, but the motherfucking shit coming. Original shit, nigga. We trapping out of motherfucking space too, nigga. Nigga, you feel me? Chill. Hey! Get that butcher call.
Hey, chill! You pussy motherfuckers and loud fat mafia bitch. Or smoked out nigga on the loud shit, nigga motherfucking purple gum bitch.
Shit like a dog, nigga. Nigga. Feel me? Slap through the shit, nigga. Flex in the motherfucking MC, nigga. I tell him too. Shit like a dog, but like a dog. Talk, boy, you did like your own, nigga. Nigga, better than my own shit. Set my own shit to the limit, nigga. Buy another, nigga. Fuck it, nigga. Chill.